My name is Nikhil Joshi. I run this design studio called Digital Jalebi. We are an experiential design studio primarily working with interactive technologies.
Creating something that is more retainable, that is more that people remember for a long time.
I've been witnessing a lot of different kinds of projects related to interactivity or augmented reality, virtual reality. I've been working in that project for the last 8 to 7 months. Currently, I'm working on the video production part. So there are tons of shows they have been introducing and making the visual look and feel logo and how the environment for that show is going to look like.
Being a designer, apart from your skills and the processes that you do, I think responsibility is one key aspect. I feel it's good about the students really get from IIAD that they're responsible.
So I'm very impressed with IIAD students. We look forward to hiring more students from IIAD.